In this video, I'll show you how to dub a video with ElevenLabs. First, open your web browser, go to the ElevenLabs website, and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, open the dubbing tool from the dashboard. Next, click Upload and select the video you want to dub from your computer. After the upload is complete, choose the original language of the video and then select the language you want to translate and dub it into. Now, review the available settings, such as speaker detection or voice options, if they're available in your account. Then click the Dub or Generate button to begin the dubbing process. After that, wait while ElevenLabs processes your video. Once it's finished, play the dubbed version to review the translation and audio. If needed, make adjustments and generate the dubbed version again. Finally, click the Download button to save the dubbed video or the dubbed audio to your device, depending on the available download options. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to dub a video with ElevenLabs. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.